A piece of Aynsley Cottage Garden, a miniature mantel clock, a very, very miniature mantel clock when you see my hands come in here. Yes, it's tiny, just over 3 inches, I think. Beautifully decorated, Cottage Garden transfer design all around it. Aynsley marks on the base, Cottage Garden bone china made in England, and the quartz removable little watch face does pop out, and this shows its age really. Movement China, Hong Kong, made in Hong Kong, and it's a quartz movement. That cap comes off. It'll be a little cell battery, probably a CR2032. We haven't tested this. The adjuster there does work, and it's probably not something size-wise you're going to want to actually rely on for timing. Let me just pop that back in. There we go. Fits nicely. Probably just for display purposes for collectors of Aynsley, isn't it? I don't know when the last time this ticked, but I'm sure with a battery there's no reason to suspect that it wouldn't work, but we have not tested that clock movement. So there you have it, little miniature bedside clock, Aynsley Cottage Garden, available for sale through the Vintage and Antiques website on the link below. Thanks for watching.